Welcome to Fab Exclusive. Please go and click the description for profreehost.com. Then proceed with the registration by clicking Register Now. Once you log in, click on the tab Create New Account. Create New Website screen appears in that you have to enter an attractive name for your website. Domain availability is shown below, then click checkmark and enter inside. Website will be created in few minutes with details such as username and date of creation. Then click on Manage. You can view the control panel and manage builders. The above shown details are found. Click onto 1. Overview 2. FTP 3. DNS 4. Password 5. Close to close the account. Then click on the control panel to proceed. You will receive a notification screen. Press I approve. Thanks. The panel will load, notification appears and control panel gets loaded. Thanks for watching. Please continue to watch part 2 of Can I Make a Free Website on WordPress. Please subscribe, like, comment, share. Also click the bell icon for updates.